In the current scenario, the data security is proved to be the serious bottleneck in the military networks. The data has to be distributed in a secure and authenticated manner. Battlefield or a hostile region is likely to suffer from intermittent network connectivity and frequent partitions. Military establishments constitute a relatively small part of the wireless communication. Many mobile nodes are used in such fields, so these occurs irregular or unstable network connectivity. A goal of the project is to provide highly secure data sharing in multi-authority military networks. In this, we have the base station, the soldier's truck and the receiver station. In the base station, the IC-HT12E is used for encoding. Similarly, IC-HT12D is used for decoding. Then comes the keypad, which is used to give the inputs, followed by 7805 voltage regulator board, a 16F877A PIC microcontroller which is used as a coprocessor, and a switchboard. Then finally the launchpad, which is used for encryption and decryption. The launchpad is MSP430G2. This part of the project is the military vehicle, which includes encoder, decoder and the microcontroller board. This is the final part, which is the receiver. The same encoder and the decoder, as we have already mentioned in the base station, is used over here. Here exclusively we have included a heartbeat sensor, which detects the heartbeat rate and sends the pulse rate to the base station. Our demo consists of 3 sections, such as controlling the soldier's movement from the base station, then message transmission, and finally the pulse rate detection. Now, to control the soldier's movement, 3 LEDs are used and the control will be in the base station. Here we consider the situation as there is some hurdle for the soldiers. So we press the switch in which the red light will be glown, which notifies that the soldier should stop. Then the next switch is pressed, in which the green light will glow, which indicates that the soldier can move further. Next, for the data transmission, we are sending the code word to the soldiers by pressing these keys, which will be encrypted and transmitted and received by the receiver. Next comes the heartbeat sensor, which will be inserted in the hands of every soldier. It will send the pulse rate to the base station. If the pulse rate is normal, that the soldier is in the safer side. So the working ends by displaying the pulse rate of the soldiers.